Webflow versus Elementor Website Comparison 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing two of the amazing website creation tools out there. First one is called Webflow and the other one is called Elementor. Now I'm going to go over them one by one and show you how you can basically create a website and all the bells and whistles, and then finally I'll compare the pricing plan and then you can decide which one you want for yourself. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first one that I have for you guys is called webflow.com. Now webflow.com is pretty amazing. It's pretty simple. Like as you can see over here, this is a template that I chose. I just simply signed up to it. It took me a second and then they asked me a couple of questions and then that was basically it. After that, I just chose a template of my own and right now I'm over here. So as you can see, this is the creation tool of Webflow and it's pretty simple. So over here on the left side, you have a couple of different options. So you have the add button, you have the symbols, you have the navigator, and then you have pages, you have CMS, you have e-commerce stores, you have media or assets, then you have settings. And then on the right side, you have some pretty basic tools. So for example, if I select this one over here, this text box, as you can see, all these options come up. Now, I'm sure you must be thinking that all these look very complicated because there are a lot of options, but trust me, they're pretty simple. Like as you can see over here, you can increase the margins of this block over here, and you can increase the padding as well. And then you can increase the width, the height of this box. You can even change the fonts that are used in this box, and you can even change the text of it. You can change the size, color, you can align it. You have different styles. You can change it to italic or bold, and then you can even add background or images. So if I click on this non clippings over here, and if I click on clip background to padding or clip background to content or clip background to text, and as you can see, it disappears because there is no background. So you can go ahead and add a different background of an image or just different colors as well. And then down below you have radius. You can like increase the radius of this block, and then down below you have effects. You can basically change the opacity, you can increase shadows, you can even transform it into a 2D to 3D animation as well. Then you can even add transition filters and stuff like that. So as you can see, I've basically explained you all the effects and options that you get in Webflow. So it's pretty basic. So let me just go ahead and change some of these up a little bit so that you guys can understand it. Or if I just click on this header over here, as you can see, double click the symbol to edit it. So if I double click it over here, as you can see, now I'm about to change the header. Like this is the navigation over here. So you can basically change the home, you can about or style guide. You can even change the name over here. You can even add some logo images as well. If I click this option over here and I choose this setting option over here, I can replace the image with whatever image that we can find over here, or you can just simply upload your own, and then that is basically it. And you can upload it by clicking on this button over here, and then you can just simply upload it. So I'm going to choose this image over here and I'm going to click on open. As you can see, it's uploading and it's uploaded. I just simply choose it, and as you can see, it's selected with this tick mark over here. If I click on it, and as you can see, it's selected. Now all I have to do is just go back and see, as you can see over here, it has been selected. Now we can go ahead and, increase its height or width or whatever the dimensions that you want. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's pretty simple. Like you can add images, or you can just simply add in text or whatever you want. Like it's pretty basic. And you can like change these blocks over here. Like as you can see, this is work image. So just simply click on this one and just choose the settings again, and then you can go ahead and change the images of these, so you can give your clients or customers that are coming over to your website a proper demo of your work. This is how Webflow works and how you can basically, use its tools to create a very minimalistic yet very professional looking website. Now let's move on to Elementor. So for Elementor, as you can see over here, once you sign up, it'll basically ask you if you already have a WordPress website. If your answer is no, you can just simply click on continue and it will generate a website for you. If you already have, then great. Just simply click on this button and it will install an Elementor on your existing website if you want to do that. But I'm going to click on no since I don't have one. I mean, I do have one, but I'm just trying to, relate to this video and just assuming that you guys don't have one as well. So after that, all you have to do is just choose a hosting provider for your website. You can either choose Flywheel or Bluehost. Depending upon which you want, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose Flywheel right now. So if I click on this button over here, it'll take me to their website, and over here all I have to do is just simply click on get started and spin up a site. So let me just click on spin up a site and simply click on sign up with Google, or if you want, you can just go ahead and enter in your username, a password, and email address, check this box and click on next, and that is basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google because it's a lot more easier. So now I'm going to be choosing Bluehost, and once you choose that, all you have to do is just simply sign up. So just simply click on get started. And for Elementor, as you can see, I'm not creating a website. That is because it requires me to pay them $49, and I'm not gonna do that. So that instantly makes it, hard to create a website. So for example, let's just look at this demo video. I mean, it does look pretty nice, but that's what demo videos are. They're supposed to look nice. $49, I don't think any website is worth paying $49. So as you can see, it's not reasonable at all. Whereas Webflow was completely free. I didn't have to pay anything. I just went there, I signed up, and I'm creating a website, and then I just hit publish, and then that's that. Whereas for Elementor, I have to pay $49, which I'm not gonna do either way. So let's just go ahead and skip where I tell you how you can, create a website, because the process for creating a website on Elementor is really similar to one creating on Webflow. All you have to do is just simply drag and drop some text, some tools, some blocks, edit the text, and then that's basically it. So let's just go ahead and check out the pricings of Elementor so that you guys can understand what I was talking about. As you can see, we have a couple of different plans over here, 5 to be exact. This is the $49 a year one. This is the $99 a year one. This is the $199, $500, and $1,000. So as you can see, it basically gives you all the basic tools. I don't understand why people would want to buy these expensive packs, because all you basically need are all the things that this plan provides, like in $49 a year. Like it gives you theme builder, it gives you pro WebKit, 300 plus basic and pro templates, 90 plus basic and pro widgets, responsive design, drag and drop, live editor, premium support, theme builder, all the things that you basically need. Now, if we compare it to this one, you only get the entire thing. Like, they're pretty similar, as you can see over here, but this is only for one Web Pro website. This is only for 3 Pro websites. So that is, I think, the main difference. So I still don't think you would need 3 websites, but I guess you could like create a single website but have different parts in it. So I think you could like make work with one website, but I still don't understand why people would need to, buy more plans. Like, it's basically the exact same thing. So moving on, for Webflow, as you can see over here, there are basically 2 types of plans. You have the site plan, then you have the account plan. So for site plan, as you can see, it's $12 basic. For the CMS, it's $16, business is $36, and many, many more. So for the basic one, as you can see, we have 100 pages for the basic plan for $12, but its CDN bandwidth is 50 gigabytes. And as you can see, you can add other site plans as well. So if I click on add site plan, we can basically like create a different plan over here. As you can see, like the site plan for the starter plan is completely free. Like, you get 2 projects, client billings, and so all that stuff. And then you get the light version, which is $16 a month. You get 10 projects, clients, and stuff like that, but you have no white labeling, no site password production, and no team dashboards and stuff like that. Then for the pro version, you have $35 a month, unlimited projects, client buildings, and all that. As you can see, it's free for Webflow, but Elementor, you have to pay $49. On top of that, if you like, try to create a website, and if you say that you don't have a WordPress website, then they'll give you 2 options, and those 2 options are also not free. Like, you have to pay them as well. So on top of paying other websites, you have to pay this website as well. So that's like a no-brainer. I would not suggest Elementor at all. I would, however, recommend go with Webflow. Like, I think this is a much better experience. They don't try to scam you with, hidden fees and stuff like that. Their website building tool is pretty awesome as well. So go check it out, and let me know in the comment sections down below which one you liked most. And having said that, this is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to check them out. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.